There it is. Pretty big rig. So many cars. If only we were able to deliver during the daylight, but it is what it is. Look how long that truck is. It's crazy. We have to unload 2 more vehicles. Here's the first one we unloaded. It's a Triumph. Very nice car actually. Never seen one of these in real life. Pretty nice looking ride. Yeah, but mine's right there under the cover, under the plastic. All the way from the North Carolina, East Coast to West Coast. Came from the West Coast and then went to East Coast and then went back to West Coast. It's gonna stay here for good, I think. It's gonna be going from there all the way out here. Yep. So no one was gonna drop me off, so I had to ride my freaking skateboard. I haven't ridden a skateboard in like so long. I should have gotten a 1 wheel. So, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, we're just waiting for the car to get out. It's about to unwrap it, I think. There it is. So sick.
Beautiful, right?
Huh?
Beautiful.
I know, it's really well made. Very clean. I had to buy it sight unseen. I couldn't go there. Ooh, wrapper's coming up. That is sick. It's hard to see in the dark, but it's nice. Hell yeah. Sorry about that, guys. It's dark. We'll get in a light soon. Starts right up. She's coming out. So sick. Might be rubbing a little. Might have to fix that. Hell yeah. Very nice.
What do you think?
It's just as pictured.
Yeah.
It's nice. Alright guys, so here it is, unloaded. I drove it to another parking lot because they were kicking us out at that one parking lot. Turns out it was state property or something like that. So here it is. This is a 2001 2.5 RSTI JDM EJ207 swapped, 6-speed transmission. As you can see, it's a 4 doors, wide body. Those are all the highlights. And you can see gold wheels. Blue and gold, can never go wrong. I have some history with this platform and JDM cars in general. I never talked about it because I'm not really into car stuff in my channel, but I have a long history with like JDM. My sister actually is the one that got the GC a long time ago when I was a kid, and she did the RSTI swap back in the day when no one's really doing it. So I couldn't afford it. I was playing with RX-7s back in the day, and believe it or not, RX-7s were cheap, dirt cheap back in the day when no one was really paying attention to them. So I was an RX-7 guy. She was a GC or STI girl. So now I saw it because I always wanted this car. I just couldn't afford it, but now I could. So, so I was gonna show it to her and see what she thinks. I think she's gonna freak out. But yeah, 4-door because I have family. No, not really. But I don't mind. I don't mind the 4-door. The 4-door is actually I don't know. For me, as a track, I think if I'm gonna track this car, I think the 4-door is a nicer chassis, to be honest. So I'll dive into the mods on a different video. I do know the person that built the car before me. It's already built when I bought it. Of course, I didn't build it. He's here in California. So the owner that I bought it from was the guy was from East Coast, and so basically the car came from California, went to the East Coast, and now it's back here in California, where it really belongs. It was originally a California car, so it belongs here. So there it is. Yeah, so I'm in touch with the first owner of the car that built it. So I know everything that went into the car and what's in the car, and what, if I have future plans and stuff, like, he's helping me out. He's really cool guy. So in the next video I'll dive into that. I'll go through the list of things that he did. It's substantial. So it's a big list. So as you can see, there it is, blue and gold, can't go wrong. Those are pretty rare wheels too. I can't find them anymore, because I was gonna find one with a little bit easier offset. Maybe I'll just change the spacers in there, if anything. I don't know. So that's a whole different video. But for now, we're just unpacking. We just unloaded the car. He has version 3 STI seats. You can see in there is red. It's really dark. So yeah, I mean, it's unfortunate that it's nighttime. I would want it so that, when they deliver it and during the daytime, but let's see. All right, see if I can open this up with one hand. Oh, that is not the aluminum hood. Okay, so it's super heavy hood. I might have to change that. It is super heavy, but here it is. JDM EJ207. Looks stock, right? So claiming the numbers were 320 wheel is what they're claiming from the last tune that they did. There's a 91 and E85 tune on this. It's a flex kit from Cobb, I think, something like that. But it's a flex. There's a flex tune on this. I'm not using E85. I'm just gonna use pump gas because I don't really care for E85. It's hard. It's not easy to. I don't even know where E85 is around here. But anyway, there it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, the experience, and shared it with you guys. I'm really excited. From the short drive from one parking lot to another, it's pretty punchy. I really love it. So I think it's a good purchase. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next videos, and hopefully you guys stick around, because yeah, there's gonna be definitely more videos about this car. All right, peace.